So in this quick and very interesting tutorial, we're going to discuss how you can apply the night vision effect on the videos on Davinci Resolve software. So all you need to do is just simply open the software and add the videos to the timeline of which you want to make these changes. Now on this effect panel, you need to just simply expand this open effects panel, and here you can see this option of filter. Just simply tap over there and now search there night vision. You can see on this search bar, if I search night vision over this toolbox, you can see this is the night vision effect. If I over my mouse over there, you can see the effect has been applying on my video. Now if I am satisfied with this, now just simply drag and drop to the timeline or the video of which you want to apply this effect. Now you can see the effect has been applied, and I can make changes to the values of this effect as well. I can make changes to the color, or some various effects are available for you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.